How to change Instagram caption after posting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Insta caption after posting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and now you're on your profile. Here, simply head over to any post that you want to change the caption of. So let's say I'm just heading over here. So I don't have caption on any one of these. So yeah, just here, let me just go to this one right here. So if you want to change the caption, all you have to do is tap on the three dots that is on the top right corner of the post. Tap on the three dots and there you will see an edit option. Tap on edit. And after you tap on edit, you will be able to now just change the caption. So I'll just write here panda and I'll just add here baby. After doing that, you can even tag people. You can tag people here. You can even add collaborators and stuff. But yeah, that's basically how you change caption. Now tap on done on the top right corner. And after you tap on it, your caption will get changed. And it's basically that simple. That is how you can change Instagram caption after posting. Stay tuned for more